Understanding the visualization of the previews of restraints will help you understand what parameters are restrained for a specific direction. For example, what does a roller slider restraint restrain? Hopefully the preview animation gives you a good solid idea of what's being restrained. However, if we take a look at the preview icons, and we'll increase the size for clarity here, you can see that translation in the Z direction is being restrained. That means we still have open translations in the Y and the X. Rotation about the Y-axis is restrained because we can't rotate about that axis if we have restraints in the Z direction on both sides of this face. We also have rotation about the X-axis restrained because essentially you can think of 2 points on opposite sides of an axis running down the length of this face. Those are also restrained. However, rotation about the Z-axis is not restrained. Let's look at another example. If we take this cylindrical face and apply a fixed hinge, let's see if we can evaluate what kind of restraint we really have by the symbol settings. We're going to enlarge their size for clarity. You can see that we have a directional restraint all along the cylindrical face in the radial direction of the cylinder. So the cylinder won't be able to expand outward or contract inward. Don't forget that the arrows represent a restraint in the positive direction of the arrow as well as the negative direction of the arrow. You'll also notice another restraint created by the hinge restraint, and that's an axial restraint on the cylinder. So the cylindrical face will not be able to translate in its axial direction, either in the positive or in the negative direction. Again, the preview gives us a good idea of what will be allowable. So basically we only have one rotation in the Z-axis that's available around this cylinder.